Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes data handling. In this chapter, look at the question number 22. What is a circle graph? Okay, so diagram anna observe ಮಾಡಿ. A graph shows the relationship between a whole and its parts is known as a circle. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ whole ಏನನ್ನ represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? The entire circle. This represents the total amount or a whole 100% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ, or a sector. ಓಕೆ, each sector represent a specific category or part of ಡಾಟಾವನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ here this circle graph, this is the relationship between whole and its part. Okay, so this is the definition of circle graph. Thank you.